Well, this V6 is coming on back together again. It only took me an hour to put the manifolds back on, the exhaust manifolds. What a bitch of a job they were to do. We couldn't get them off the manifolds to the downpipe. They were absolutely rusted solid. So we took the manifold off themselves and just dropped them down, but obviously trying to get the bolts back in this morning. I was out here at 6 o'clock trying to lift this side up and put a bolt in that side. Oh, what a mess about it was. Anyway, that's done. All the heads were back on. The torquing of the heads was very, very unusual. Where's my piece of paper? Here we are. That was a good tip to just photo the head gasket with the sequence on. Saves getting the book dirty. So what you have to do with step 1, tighten it down to 37 foot-pounds, then loosen 1 full turn. That was a waste of time. Step 2, 22 pounds, and then 90 and another 90. So, you know, doing 2 heads, well, that took a little bit of time. Yeah, so we're getting on there. So now I'm going to tighten down these rocker pedestal bolts, because they're like a V8, Rover V8. They're self-adjusting, which is a good thing. Then we've got to sort the wiring out. I've got to put the alternator on, sort the wiring out. We should be getting on to something. I just found I was going to crank it over and make sure all these rockers were good, but turns out the battery's flat. How unusual. See you in a bit. Well, it's Thursday lunchtime now. I've got the car all put back together, but naturally the battery was flat after being stood for about 8 weeks. Draining the oil out was a good thing too, because when I took the heads off there was coolant in the oil, so I'm leaving it for an hour or 2 to drain out. They're a crazy idea. They're supposed to have block drains in them, but you can't even see them, never mind get to them. And they're all rusted up, no doubt. Yeah, so the battery's charged up 100%, so that's good. So hopefully, Jim's gone down for some coolant because we haven't got any. Hopefully it'll fire up, we shall see.